So next thing is the bubble sort. In the bubble sort, again I am putting some numbers. This time my 0 is from up. 0, 1, 2, 4. I am now having 10 elements. 10 elements, and we are having some values, some arbitrary values. Some arbitrary values we are having in the array, and at the end of this program, the array will be sorted in the ascending order. Okay, we'll now use the technique called bubble sort. We'll use the technique called bubble sort. In the bubble, as you know, it starts from the down and it becomes bigger and bigger, and when it reaches the surface is burst. You can say that the bigger one is coming to the surface. Right? Now, similarly, this is our bottom. 50 is there in the bottom. 50 and a 5 we will compare. 50 is bigger. So 50 will replace 5 and 5 will replace 50. Okay. That's what immediately I think of. That this will be 5 and 50. Then 50 and 23 will compare. That is the one position with the two position. And when we compare these two, we get here 50 and here 23. Achyoti, I will take you to the principal. I am not here for this. To talk with you because so many students are there. Say, so 50 and 23. So here also I am seeing that no, 50 should come here and 23 will go top. So that means 50 will be always going down, going up and up. Up and up. Here it looks down and down, but actually if you think this is the 0 is the starting point, then it is going up. Okay. Then in this way 50 is coming here. No? And yes. And here up to this. Then we will see 50 and 56. In 7th position 50 is there and in 8th position 56 is there. So it's correct, no problem for it. Problem is when it is more, but now it is smaller. Previous item is smaller than the next item. So no problem. Now we'll do the next thing, that is 56 with the 2. So 2 will be coming up, down, and then 56 will go to the last, very last position. So in this way we are now solving the last position. Last position is now getting the highest value. So last position is now logged. Last position is now logged. our last position will be, okay, our last position will be now the, yes, last but one element from the top. Yes or no? Last but one element from the top. Yes or no? Huh? That means from the top second element. Yes or no? That is our, yes. So our program is like that. For I started with the 9. No, 9. I started with the last position and I corrected it, then I logged it. So 9, now I greater than, so how long I will correct and log, lock. So this will be like that, it will go on. How long I will be? This is, no, not 0. Actually this one. If that is up to I is equal to 1, if it is corrected up to that, then 0 is automatically corrected. Because 0 will be having the lowest one. So I write I greater than 0. That is means it is going up to 1. I correct his. That should be I minus minus. No, I is reaching up to 1. Reaching up to 1. Okay, last I is 1. Yes or no? When it is 0, it is coming out of the loop. Now, what we do inside? Again another for we have. That is j. J is equal to 0 to j less than I. When 9, my j was from 0 to 8. Okay. Lastly, when it was 8, then 2 and 56 were exchanged. Yes or no? So less than I. And j plus plus. What we are comparing? We are comparing if aj is greater than, yes, aj plus 1. That's what we are comparing. aj is greater than aj plus 1 or not. Again, come. So, what we saw first, 50 and 5. Yes, 50 greater than 5. It's a problem. Yes or no? 50 greater than 5. So, we exchange, swap. So, we have to swap. This is a problem area. Right? T is equal to A okay. So another loop and another loop. So what happened? We are swapping. When this type of problem, if the previous one is greater than next one, then there is a problem, then we swap. Otherwise we don't swap. So in this way, when I is 9, it will reach up to this, and this is now having the 56, the highest one. Then 9 is logged. Then what will be next I? Next I will be 8. Okay. When 8, our j will be what? 0 to 7. 0 to 7. So then, who will be corrected? 8 will be corrected. 8 position, 8 place is corrected. Then 7 place is corrected. Then 6, like that. Last time who is corrected? 1 place is corrected. Who is remaining? 0 is remaining. 0 is automatically the smallest. This is your program. Please write it in a nice way, having your array on top, having the main function, having the class, etc. Okay. Please complete this program in this class. No, only to add the array, function and the class. That much. 3 lines you can add. What is the problem?